I am going to show you how to segregate and remove soil fast and easy right after this. This is how we segregate the traditional way. And to segregate super easy way, this is the way to go. Dip the roots in water and the soil will just fall down. Let's try this once again. Here's our super easy way. Dip the roots in water. After we removed most of the soil, let's go to phase 2. Dip everything in water. Wash it thoroughly and carefully not to damage the stems and leaves. This is useful when replacing the old soil with new one. I'd like to trim the branches that is out of proportion to groom this succulent. And the best thing, we can propagate from the trimmings. Here's the groomed plant. Looks great. To pot the cuttings, I normally remove the lower leaves. Air dry overnight so the wounds can heal. Some might air dry for up to a week. It depends on the type of plant, but for pickle plant, overnight is good. We have made 2 new plants out of our cuttings. All in all, we now have 3 pickle plants. Please subscribe.